Hi everyone, hope you're all tickety-boo. Now get ready to revolutionise your video and photo shoots with the perfect balance. As in today's video, we're taking out the hassle of balancing the DJI RS2. Before we dive into all the details, let's kick it off with a bit of a chuckle. Here's today's little joke for you. Where do frogs keep all their money? In the riverbank, of course. So you're ready to achieve the perfect balance with your Canon R6 and the RF14 to 35? What I'm going to do is take you through all the measurements so it'll leave you feeling confident. Let's get into them. So here it is on a gimbal, just to show you that it's fully balanced, okay, and runs nice and smoothly. Just click that one into there. You can see it's running nice and smoothly. Let's get into the measurements. So the first tip for you when you're doing a zoom lens like this, the 14 to 35, is that you must set them halfway between the focal lengths. So what I've got this one set on here, okay, is on 24. And then these measurements will work perfectly for you. So on the side plate here, what we've actually got is 4.9 at the front there and 7.1 at the back. Here's a quick photo of that one. And on the side arm here, you have that set to 1 there and 3 underneath. Here's a quick photo of that one. Then on the back plate here, we have that set to 1.2 there and 5.2 there. Here's a quick photo of that one. And the one that's always awkward to show you on here is the bottom one here, okay? And that one's actually set at 0.4 there and 4.2 there. Here's a quick photo of that one. It really is that simple. And don't hesitate to leave any questions in the comments down below because I'm really happy to help. And give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful because it hopefully will help you elevate your next video shoot. Thanks for tuning in everyone. And as always, keep smiling, keep making stuff, have fun out there. Cheers for now.